This is the SNAP 2013 tutorial for the slope tab, and in this tutorial we're going to cover how to input a slope. So what you'll see here is the first box is a scale that allows you to zoom in and out or make the image bigger and smaller. Let's get back to one. Here you can change the center, so you can move it side to side, and you may want to move it over a little bit over to the side there, so it's out of the way of the user interface if you like. You can always click the tab to show or hide the user interface if that's in the way. And then you have a box with the surface points, and what we want to do is put in the existing slope before you start building the walls. And so you can click on a point here on the image and drag it to move it around, or you can just type in a value here. So we'll type in -100, oops, and 0, or no, I'll make it 15. And usually I like to type in the endpoints. I'll type in 125 and 70. And you can insert a point by clicking on the image and dragging it around. If we want to insert a point, we just click. We can insert several points if we like. And we can also control click to select a point or unselect it, or I can shift click to select a series of points. And then once the points are selected, I can simply, they're drawn in magenta color instead of yellow, then I can left click and drag the points around to move them like this. Or if I just want to select one point, I can just move that point around. So it just moves whichever points are currently selected. And I can select one or more points, and whatever points are selected and I hit the delete key, it will delete those points. And now I'll just type in a point for the middle, call it 0 and 56. And this will be my existing slope that I'll use for the for this project. You can also copy the points. If I hit copy, then I can open Excel and paste them in. So I can paste the points in, or I could also copy the points and hit paste and paste them back into the program. I can also show additional options on the points, such as the angle and degrees from horizontal. So if I change that, like this is a 6-degree angle for this slope segment, and this is a 22-degree angle for that slope segment, so I can see what the angles are. I can also move the scroll bars around and drag those points around to change the angle. And I can also show the length of the nail, the length of the segment, and I can show the horizontal length and the vertical length. And any of these could be edited if you have, if you don't have X, Y coordinates, you just have angle and length, such as you're just doing some surveys out in the field of the slope. You can just enter those numbers in there, and then it'll convert it to the X and Y coordinates of the slope. But and it will show these coordinates for all of the soil points and water points and back slope and down slope. So I'll just turn these off for now, and we'll just work with X and Y. But just show you that those options are available.